Compound generally is a low-position cryptographic money presently valued at $42.01 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $327,995,755. Incredibly, over the very past really couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including compound, laid out areas of strength for and in the worldwide monetary world and basically are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. At this sort of specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of compound to the level at $42.01, where it presently generally sits in an unobtrusive manner. As currently referenced, comp in a real sense is a low-position cryptographic money, since it as of now possesses the 73rd spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the fundamentally metric that's still up in the air, by duplicating the especially current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, exhibiting how compound by and large is a low-position cryptographic money presently evaluated at $42.01. That has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $327,995,755, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. On account of compound, the market capitalization in every practical sense remains at $327,995,755. The significance of this boundary will basically be made sense of later in a sort of huge manner. Recently, on August 18, comp sort of was esteemed at $40.08 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. For the most part, recall that digital currencies generally are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in an especially significant manner. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period in a real sense added up to 0.42%. Or so they explicitly thought. 7 days prior, on August 12, compound really was exchanged at $55.46 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that fundamentally near its current position, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. On July 19, which generally was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged comp at $69.33, the cost level that basically is at the distance of 39.41%. From where it as of now stands. The compound cost expectation wouldn't be most certainly complete without the clarification of the beginning and the assigned utilization of the crypto unpredictability file that frames the foundation of this conjecture model, or so they in every practical sense thought. As currently referenced, CVIX truly is the brainchild of our experts and programming designers who truly have commonly invested lots of energy dealing with an ideal answer for evaluating the expected market unpredictability and placing it in some visual structure in a quite large way. Besides, the marker integrates the cutting-edge, certainly profound learning calculation that outputs and dissects in a real sense terabytes of verifiable market information. So our supporters could by and large appreciate having the most succinct, understandable, and, in particular, exact comp cost gauge that would generally assist them in every way that really matters. With remaining on the ball into the indefinite future, which is very critical, the cost of comp and the readings of CVIX basically are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations, exhibiting how, as currently referenced, CVIX in every practical sense is the brainchild of our experts and programming engineers, who for the most part have in a real sense invested lots of energy dealing with an ideal answer for surveying the expected market unpredictability and placing it in some visual structure, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Market capitalization basically is another significant genuinely metric that especially assists traders with certainly deciding the fame of the digital currency being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, in an especially significant manner. It is likewise used to truly evaluate the offer that compound holds inside the kind of whole digital money market, or so they generally thought. The equation for the computation of market capitalization basically is somewhat straightforward. The coursing supply of the cash being referred to sort of is increased by its really current cost, which certainly is genuinely critical. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of comp truly remains at $327,995,755, enough to name it the 73rd in every practical sense biggest coin in the cryptographic money market in a truly significant manner. Recently, on August 18, the market capitalization of compound especially remained at $312. $888,663. 7 days prior, on August 12, the capitalization of comp was $432.330 when 339. SIT is currently referenced. Comp basically is a low-position cryptographic money, since it as of now possesses the 73rd spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the extremely metric that not entirely set in stone, but duplicating the ongoing cost by the market capitalization of the advanced resource, showing how compound generally is a low-position digital money as of now estimated at $42.01. That has a place with the class of mineable coins, with a market capitalization of $327,995,755 in a fundamentally huge manner. A month prior, on July 19, how much by and large capital streaming around this specific market added up to $539,758,866. So at this really specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of compound to the level at $42.01, where it right now sits in an essentially huge manner. Most digital money financial backers by and large stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a sort of specific cryptographic money, and its capacity to, for the most part, endure disturbances, which sort of are the kind of normal event on this exceptionally unpredictable market. It's kind of obvious that the in every practical sense previously mentioned market capitalization of compound permits to generally characterize it as the little cap cryptographic money that has a place in the OK gathering, which certainly is very huge, since we really have proactively referenced the equation for working out the market capitalization. It would basically be for the most part suitable to, in every practical sense, commit a piece of this report to the stockpile of comp, which certainly shows that 7 days prior, on August 12, compound in every way that really matters was exchanged at $55.46 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that sort of near its fundamentally present situation in an unpretentious manner. For prettier data, there are three kinds of supply for practically every digital currency. The by and large most extreme stock, which truly implies the quantity of coins that would truly be created on a truly specific blockchain all through its presence. The complete stock, which alludes to the quantity of coins previously delivered starting from the origin of the task. The flowing inventory, which clearly alludes to the quantity of coins available for use, in genuinely different words, that basically are effectively exchanged on trade stages. The especially most extreme stockpile of compound in a real sense is 10,000,000 comp. The kind of all-out supply of comp as of now explicitly remains at 10,000,000 coins, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The circling supply of the cryptographic money under survey especially is 7,800,7,844 comp. This compound cost expectation wouldn't be really finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it is the genuinely metric utilized